How to create a Wix forum for your community. In order to do that, head over right here to your apps. And onto your apps right here, just head over and click on this app market that you can see. Now, from this app market, you should be able to see here the search bar. Head over and click on the search bar and search in here for form. So here you can see this Wix forum. Head over and click on that. And then this will direct you to the installation page of that. Here is the add to site button. Head over and click on that. And then from in there, you just need to head over and then click on this go to editor option in order to add this Wix forum to your site. So on your Wix website editor, you should be able to load in here the Wix forum button that will enable it onto your site. So it's actually added in the app catalogs or preferences on your actual site. As you can see right now, Wix forum has been adding. So just head over and then just wait for this to be added. Once the app has been added, you should be able to now open it in here. Click on this open option right here, and then this will redirect you to the next site, wherein it will show you what it looks like right now on your Wix website editor. Once it's been added, you should be able to add it as an element from in here. So onto our menu right now, we can now see this forum option right here. So when you head over and click on that, the people on your menu should be able to see that forum on your pages. So here is our pages. Head over and then click on it, and then you should be able to see what it looks like from in here. So here's our site menu. We have in here the women pages, the men pages, and a lot more. But for this case also, you can head over and see some other options like the forum right here. So you can head over and click on that forum in order to see what it looks like, and you can actually customize it to your liking using the Wix website editor. So that's how you create a Wix forum for your community. Hope we helped.